Alrighty, guys, here we go for the Bowman mixer. Going to the Cincinnati Reds, Aricel Iglesias out of 499. Going to the Tigers, AL Central, David Price, blue to 150. Going to the Angels, AL West, Nate Smith, purple refractor out of 250. Going to the NL West, Alex Verdugo, purple paper to 250. Going to the AL West, Jeremy Rhodes, blue paper to 150. Going to the NL West, Reimer Liriano to 499. Going to the AL East, mini purple refractor to 250, Willie Adams. Going to the AL East, Jorge Mateo to 499 refractor. Just thought this one was nice. It's nothing numbered or anything, but it's a Jose Abreu Silver Ice. Going to the AL East, Jairo Labort, numbered to 250, purple paper. Going to the AL Central, Lonnie Chisenhall to 499. AL Central, Lonnie Chisenhall to 499. AL East, J.J. Hardy, purple paper to 250. Now for the autos, NL East, Domingo Herman. NL West, nice autograph, Jose De Leon, refractor to 499. Orange paper, numbered to 25, Ian Kennedy, NL West. Bowman Scout die cut, DJ Peterson, AL West, numbered to 99. NL West again, Raimel Tapia, blue mini refractor, numbered to 150. AL West auto, Teoscar Hernandez. AL West auto, Teoscar Hernandez. NL Central bonus hit, Monte Harrison, perfect game, numbered to 200. Orange refractor, non-auto, Alex Meyer to 25. Orange refractor, orange, non-auto to 25. And the monster of the night, going to the AL Central, Nick Gordon, orange auto, numbered to 25. Orange auto, numbered to 25. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll have these out in the next day or two.